start.
Friends, once again, my beautiful, my dear friend Anzar is here, and today again we are discussing about what we are discussing,
We're
Anzar?
discussing about ways that you can cope up with depression or perhaps anxiety.
I see. So how you? One can overcome out of
Yes.
that.
So first of all, the first step in overcoming depression or anxiety is that you should acknowledge that there is
Right,
a problem.
right,
So until and unless we know that there is a problem, we
right,
cannot address it, right?
right,
So the first step is the
right,
hardest to take in any
right,
journey. It is
right,
said the first step is the hardest to take, right?
right,
So in my opinion,
right,
there is a lot of pressure
right,
on today's people,
right.
and among that pressure they don't realize that they are anxious or they are
Okay,
going into depression.
okay,
So we must take a moment to acknowledge ourselves,
right,
position ourselves,
right,
and then ask to ourselves, are we
right.
happy in the position that we are in?
You are
Are
right.
we in any kind of stress? If we are under any kind of stress,
Azhar, I'll interrupt you. I'll just would ask you
yes,
why depression is, why it happens,
why it happens?
where it comes from.
See, depression, there can be many reasons why a
Okay,
person can be depressed.
okay,
But generally,
right,
depression comes from the fact
uh,
or the feeling
right.
that your expectations are not being met.
I see, I see.
So you have certain expectations.
Right,
Everybody has expectations,
right.
and when they are not met,
Hmm.
and when
Then you go into depression.
yes, that's
You mean
that's
to say that? And
yes.
I would like to ask you one more question, that why this problem is increasing day by day, because in earlier days it was not a problem with the people, that people were not in depression, and nowadays if I'll meet anyone and majority of that they are saying that I am in depression.
See, I don't agree with the fact that earlier there was no depression.
Right,
I think earlier there was no diagnosis for depression.
I see.
So earlier people were not so aware of mental health and mental well-being.
Okay,
So they write it off as something else.
okay.
They write it off as fatigue. They write it off as तबीयत खराब है. That's it.
I
आज
see.
low feel हो रहा है. That's it.
I
They
see.
write it off at that. However, now with the advent of technology,
Right.
with the advent of
Right, right,
psychology,
right,
what is
right.
happening is that people are now realizing what depression is. More
Right.
and more people are aware, and I
Right.
believe it is a good thing
Right,
that
right.
we know that there is a problem, and it's almost like an epidemic. The depression.
But Ansar, I would like to tell you that you are not a trained doctor and you are not a psychiatrist and psychologist. But even then, I would like to ask you how to come over that, how to come over depression, how to
See,
come.
as you say, that I am not a trained psychologist or I am not a trained anything. I'm a
Right.
linguist. I'm
Right.
a writer by profession. So this is a little above my pay grade. But as someone who observes people a lot, so I think that as I said, that first you should acknowledge
Right.
what depression is, and once you've acknowledged that, you should seek mental health professionals.
Okay, okay, okay.
So they can better guide you. They can understand. Go to a psychologist, see a psychiatrist. They will tell you. They will give you speech therapy or whatever therapy or treatment they think that it is suited for you. I don't think that I am qualified enough to give any of
My
the
dear,
things.
my dear friends, is Anjar, and Anjar is not definitely psychologist. He's not a psychiatrist, but he is a very good human being, one of
Thank
my
you.
best friend, and one of the best life coach for all of you. And tomorrow again will come with a new video to give you a new thought with a new ways.
Okay. Bye, friends.
Bye. Bye.